What's up, y'all? Today I'm working on a 98 Buick Regal GS. This is one that has a supercharged V6, and I bought it about a year ago for like about 800 bucks, and it was a good deal. The car runs great and everything, but one little problem it has is that in order to roll down the windows, the driver has to do it themselves. All the window switches on the other three windows do not work, and I'm assuming it has to do with the fact that I was missing the window lock button. So I'm gonna be replacing that. I got this out of the junkyard that, yeah, it doesn't look as good, but I'm hoping I could take the switch caps off of the old buttons and transfer it to this. You know, I'll kind of make two into one, and I'm hoping that fixes the problem. What you gotta do is the front has the lock clip, and you pull that out first. And if you see that tang back there, you just lift it out. Then you got three plugs: one for the mirror controls, one for the window buttons, and one for the window locks. I'm assuming, unless that's illumination, something like that. You undo all that, then everything just unclips from this plastic bezel. You unclip that and switch it out, put the new ones in, and that should be it. So let me get the old one apart first and show you exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so I got the old one out, which is right here. And another thing I noticed is that the mirror controls, the little lock, if it'll focus, the lock that holds the connector and it's broken off, so I'm gonna have to switch this one over to here too. So I'm gonna have to take this and switch over to here. I'm gonna have to take this switch over to here, as well as the window lock button. So I'm gonna see if I can get that going. Okay, so like I said, everything just unclips. Just unclip everything and it'll come out. So there's the new switches. Like I said, I'm gonna see if I could switch these caps off from the old one. And I got the new window mirror controls out. And I just got the little tab that locks the connector. I think I might just use the new bezel, so I might just put those back. I might just put the mirror controls back in and just use the new bezel. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a little dirty, but no big deal. It'll just be a little bit of Windex to clean that up. Okay, so I got the old switches out, and I'm noticing that it's got some tabs right there. I think if I push those in, I'll be able to separate the two halves, and that might let me get the old switch caps, the old but better switch caps out. So I'm gonna play around with it a little bit and see if that's actually the case. Well, I got the bottom off of it, and I don't think that my previous idea is going to work, because it's just not going to work, because all that looks like it just covers all this the circuit board and stuff. So I think I'm just going to throw this in and just say screw it for now until I figure buy brand new switch, but this will work for now. I think I could get like a nail and use that to pop the sides off, but I don't think my time is going to be worth my time to try all that, so I'm just going to throw this in. It's unfortunate because I wanted it to look good, but like I said, I paid $800 for the car, so, and it's got a big dent on the side of it anyway. As long as the windows work, that's all that matters. Well, I got the new switches pop back in, and they literally just slide in. You just put the back in first and slide the top, and then just push the top down, and it'll lock in. And windows still work, but the true test is if you could roll down the rear windows and whatnot, the other windows from, you know, their corresponding door, and yes you can. So I call that a success. I'm gonna check the mirrors too, because the mirrors also working kind of weird. Okay, that's left, that's right, it's up, that's down. Go to the passenger side. That's that mirror might have to be replaced. It's left and right works, but up and down don't on that one. So that'll be a project for another day. Overall, I'll call it a success, even though it's kind of unfortunate I couldn't switch to keep switch caps. But you know, that'll be a project for another day. Like I said, I'm probably just going to buy a new one and just switch it over. I'm more than likely not going to record that because it'll be pretty much doing the same thing. So anyway, see you guys later. I appreciate for watching the video. Thank you.